This is the phone that we purchased from AliExpress. Its box's name is i12 Pro Max, and we purchased it with the options that it has 512 GB of storage, and I will show you here what I purchased with all the specs. This is the phone that I got. So this is my account, and this is the device. Okay, if I go to see it, this was published 12 and 512 GB, 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB. The screen is this 5G. Is it clear over here? थोड़ा सा नीचे लाओ ना, करीब लाओ, तुम वो चीज़ें दिखाते हो ना, पूरा फ़ोन दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 5G focus, 5G 12 plus 512 GB, and the camera is 24 MP front and 48 MP rear, and battery is 5800. It has the face recognition and this fingerprint. Okay, these are the market things. Here I will show you the things. I've installed the software Geek. What's the software name?
Geek Benchmark.
So this is the phone, and I will show you how it performs. Okay, this is the Geek Bench. Open. So it is showing here in advertisement, this is Android 10. Is it Android 10? I studied in the description Android 10. Actually it's not Android 10, it's Android 8.10. If I go into the settings, and I will go into the system and about phone. So its information Android version 10. You see this one, Android version 10. Here it is coming, going Android version 10. RAM is 12, and what else? Storage, he is not giving storage over here. Okay, and when you go to the storage, it is showing me, you see the speed, how long it takes. So you see this is 104 GB is used. I don't know where it is used. The user, you see this one, system includes files used to run Android version 8. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So let's go back into the Geek. Here the device is Android version 8.1.0. okay, no problem for me, but I'm concerned about the RAM and the storage. Here you see the memory, the RAM, it is showing 899 MB. I will focus it. Okay, 899. That was promised to be 12 GB. Okay, and I hope that I believe that 500 GB is not the storage space. It is not showing over here again. Here you see. So RAM was 12 and it is this. What else? It is enough to return this phone. Thank you for watching.